Microsoft Copilot is here. This is the time when you need to start to learn how to use it in daily work to save your time and be more productive. In this video I will show you 3 real use cases how you can start to utilize Microsoft Bing Chat Enterprise, which is rebranded right now to Microsoft Copilot, and to use generative AI to help you to save time, be more productive and do much more, much faster. I will present you how to do deep analysis of the customers that you want to reach out, how to generate documents and offers and automatically move them to Microsoft Word, and also how to analyze and summarize the content on the web, articles and documents that will help you to do that kind of operations much faster. And all of that you can do using Microsoft Copilot that is part of Bing.com, Edge browser, and soon it will be also included to your Windows PC. And as always, I want to ask you to support this channel. If you like this video, please leave the thumbs up. If you want to get the notifications about the videos, please subscribe. And as always, if you will have any questions, feel free to leave your comments below. And before we will move out to prompting with Copilot tool, I would like to remind you that Microsoft Copilot, aka Bing Chat Enterprise, is tool that is available for free for Microsoft 365 E3, E5 licenses, for the Microsoft Business subscriptions, and for F3 subscription that will be available in the next months. If you want to use this solution with the Office 365 licenses, you will need to pay for it. But also remember, free version of the Microsoft Copilot based on Bing is available without any additional costs, but you losing this enterprise protection of your data. And just one moment about that. Enterprise security, which is part of the Microsoft Copilot, guarantee that the data that you will use, the prompts, the questions, the documents that you will upload it, will not be shared neither with Microsoft nor with OpenAI. Large language model which is behind will not learn based on it. All of your requests, all of your prompts will be stored in the cache during your session, and after your session will end, all of that data will be removed. This is really important element if you want to work with generative AI in enterprise, because your concurrency will not be able to get better answers based on the large language model that will learn based on your work. So, if you did not start to work with Microsoft Copilot in Bing yet, that's the time to start to work with first prompts. Remember that you can work with Bing Chat Enterprise / Microsoft Copilot by opening bing.com/chat. If you will be in the enterprise mode, remember you will get the information about protected mode for this session, and also information that your company data will not be shared with Microsoft or OpenAI. When you're starting the discussion, remember that you can go for the very precise model. And in the first scenario, what I want to show you how to get the rapid analysis of the information that you're looking for. If you will be salesperson and you need to analyze possible prospect, let's imagine it will be Microsoft, you can easily get the feedback from Microsoft Copilot about the company like Microsoft. The chat will summarize the information that you need to know. Moreover, you will get the information about the source. You can deep dive into the informations that are structured behind that, and prepare better. But it's not everything. So let's imagine that you also want to analyze what direction is pushed by Microsoft lately about the investments, about the changes in the organization. Microsoft Copilot will be able to summarize the information, what kind of acquisitions happened, what kind of changes, what is the direction of the company to move forward. And Microsoft Copilot will deliver you in the moment the information about last acquisitions and investments. And if you want to reach out to that company, probably you also want to know about the competitors of that kind of prospect. And if you will ask Bing Chant Enterprise / Microsoft Copilot, it will also deliver you information about competitors of this organization. This could give you high overview about the market, prepare better, and also use that information in the next step when you will prepare yourself for the reach out to customer. And you get detailed information about the competitors of Microsoft. As always, I would recommend you to go and drill down through the data source behind these answers to get precise knowledge just for you. But what if you want to do the analysis and comparison between them? Microsoft Copilot will also be able to gather the information that you already prepared, so information about the prospect, about the competition, and prepare SWOT analysis between them. It's starting to dig in, and let's see what kind of results you will get. And we get the feedback. Check how detailed information we get from Microsoft Copilot. Imagine how much time we will need to prepare something like that. And also remember, generative AI from time to time can hallucinate, so always review that kind of summaries, informations to be sure that they are really true. But at the same time, this is really great foundation that gives you the opportunity to start with your preparation. Moreover, you have huge amount of the resources that you can do follow up to deep dive. So we have all that information, so let's prepare pitch for our possible persona on the Microsoft side. This is also something that you can use to prepare yourself to reach out to your prospect as a salesperson. And imagine what kind of package of knowledge you have here that allows you to prepare yourself for your job. This is really great opportunity to get a rapid summary of the information prepared by AI that will not replace you, but will help you to do your job better and faster. And see, you have really great pitch in here. The only thing I'm missing here is reminder, which I get once. Remember to focus on the business value on the customer side. So imagine we spend few minutes, we get through very deep, very rapid analysis of the customer and the ways how we can reach out to this company in our sales process. And we're doing that using generative AI that is available for us for free. Another way how you can use Microsoft Copilot is using Edge browser, which you can open Microsoft Copilot directly using this button, and you can use it also directly from here to get the support from AI tools. As you can see, you also get the information that all of that is protected. Let's imagine that you digging through information that were provided by Copilot in the previous step, and you visit my blog and you're checking this very long article. You don't have enough time to read it very deeply, but you want to get the summary of the content of this article. You can easily get that using Copilot included in the Bing browser. And as you can see, Microsoft Copilot can easily summarize the content of the article for few bullet points, which gives you the overview what is included there and what will be important. Let's imagine that you are just interested in this part. You can easily navigate to the specific content of the article that will be interesting for you. This is also a very great tool that can speed up your work. So we get back to Microsoft Copilot, we dig in through Microsoft, we analyze a lot of pages, and we are ready to prepare our proposal. So let's ask generative AI to help us to build the offer for our customers around Copilot Advisory. If we will use that prompt, Microsoft Copilot / Bing Chant Enterprise will help us to prepare the document. So you can see Microsoft Copilot prepared us some basic template for our proposal for the service. So let's export it, and you can see exported document was saved in our OneDrive account, and we can move directly from here and start to edit this document. Even if you don't have any template for your offer, you can use Designer to move forward and build the proposal based on it. You can see how quick that kind of addition or creation of the documents could be. Prompt was very simple, but still it gives you the possibility to speed up fundamental activities around sales process. As you can see, using Microsoft Copilot in Bing or Edge is very easy. You can use your natural language to ask the questions, and large language model will deliver you answers. Moreover, you will get the reference to the documents or websites stored online that were used to deliver you the feedback. This is really powerful solution that gives you the possibility to build the foundation for your work and also to learn more based on the ultra rapid model of the generative AI to find the proper information for you. If you are enterprise, you should consider Microsoft Copilot based on Bing as a native solution for you because it is secured. Your data will not be used to teach large language models. Your concurrency will never get access to it. I hope this video helped you to understand how you can use Microsoft Copilot in your daily work. If you did not start to do that yet, now it's great time to start doing that. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.